In this video, we'll have a look at using Kirmada for the first time and getting our first workspaces created. So now that you've downloaded and installed Kirmada, just find the icon on your desktop and double click. And then log in using the credentials that you used when you registered your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see that you're on the home screen for Kirmada, and the only option that you've really got is to add a workspace. So that's what we'll do, is add the first workspace for one of our clients. We're going to call this client Beach Breaks, because who doesn't like a holiday? And the options you have here is you can enter a company URL, and all this does is it will try and find a logo for Beach Breaks if it can find one on the website. We're not doing that. We're going to upload our own logo from downloads. That one just there will do. Create the workspace, and once you click create workspace, you've got the option to import bookmarks from different browsers that you've got installed on your system. So just choose whichever you like and import those. Otherwise, just click close, and that's it. Your first workspace is now created. I'm going to create the second workspace as well, and this one is for Eco House. And again, I'm going to use my own logo for this and create that workspace. So with two workspaces set up, that is literally all you need to do in order to start work. When you go into one of these workspaces, you're actually in a web browser. So you can see that you're in a dedicated web browser. It's called Beach Breaks there. And what we would recommend doing now is set up the accounts in this client that are the most important. So for example, if you're doing inbox management or you're managing an Asana project, etc., then we'll set those up. So I'm just going to quickly do that now. And so now that I've got a few of these accounts set up across tabs across the top here, what I'm going to do is save these as stickies. So I right click on the tab itself. The second option down is save to stickies. I click on that. And what will happen is that will put an icon for this account on the left hand side here. So I do that with each of these. These are the most important things for this client. This is the work that I go back to each time. And now these act like super bookmarks. They're on the left hand side and I've always got access to them now. So if I close down all of the other tabs, then if I came back into this workspace and everything wasn't exactly where I needed it, I can just click on these stickies and everything comes back exactly as I need it. Now the great thing about this is we have multiple workspaces. So if I finish working for Beach Breaks, I can now move over to Eco House, and I'm now in a completely fresh browser. So I've not used this one yet, so this is now ready for me to set up. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So now I've created a couple of accounts that I want to come back to again in this workspace. I've put them down the left hand side as stickies, and now to swap between clients, all I need to do is click on this menu up on the top right here and choose which client I want to work on, and instantly everything changes. The stickies have changed, the tabs are exactly where I left them, and I can just swap between clients as easy as that. And if you notice, I've got Gmail open in this workspace, and I've also got Gmail open on this workspace. You can have as many websites with duplicated accounts or different accounts as you like. So every workspace is completely independent and you can just keep everything logged into the accounts that you need and they stay logged in for you. So I'm now going to go and create some more workspaces for the rest of my clients. And I can continue going, creating as many workspaces for the different clients as I like. And swapping between them, you just literally click on one and you're in that workspace and it's ready for work. So that is how you get started creating workspaces in Kirmada.